Hello crafty friends, Amanda here with Crafting with Amanda, and this is the day 12 sketch for Christy's Beautiful Life round 9, and it is created by Laura Creates 50, and I am a couple days late getting this out. We are in the process of preparing our house to put on the market because my husband's job got moved across country, so we need to move across country here in the next 3 months. So I plan to do all 30 sketches. They just might not be in the right order right now because this is also spring break week and we tore down my studio. So I have stuff to continue to create, but for right now I'm not able to. So what I decided to do is I grabbed one of my pre-done layouts from the 21 workshop layouts that I did with Miracle from years ago, and then I grabbed a doily, and then I'm just grabbing some of the scallop lace and the flowers and the things that I did die cutting on that I'm using to help tie the theme of this heritage album together. If this is your first time watching my channel, I'm using old photos from my mom from the 50s and 60s when she was a teenager and young adult, and creating a heritage album. And some of the photos I have stories for, some of them I do not. This one just happens to be a photo of my granddad and my mom. I don't even really have a year, so I'm just trying to honor the sketch and capture this memory, and hopefully when my mom gets this album she'll be able to add more to the story. She might remember what was going on that day, or if it was just a picture of her and her dad. So I found this in the Picture My Life cards, the word journey, because life is a journey, and I cut out the edges. So now I've glued everything down, and I need to put something on there to tell at least who the people are in the photos, because although I recognize them, you just never know, my kids may not, as funny as that sounds. So I grabbed one of these leftover tags from a previous project that I had done that I didn't end up using. So I'm writing on the back of it. I used one of them in the upper right corner kind of to honor that vignette on the sketch, And now I am just writing my granddad's and my mom's name on this. And pretty much this is going to be it. I'm looking at it. Do I want to add sequins? And I don't, so I'm going to do shimmer brush. And like I said, I will do every 30 days of this, but we're going to take a little mini break during spring break here for the first 3 days. So I have a video for yesterday that was 14, so I was on track. I'm catching up on 12. I'm going to miss 15 and 16, but hopefully on the 17th I'll have the 17th video out, and starting on the 18th I hope to post the 18th and the 15th, and then on the 19th maybe I'll post the 19th and the 16th, and that'll get me caught up, and then I can end strong with the last 11 days. So there I just did the splatter of the shimmer brush. I highly recommend you cover your photo. I forgot to do that, and there are some sparkles on there, and it's just gonna have to be what it is. But I really like how this turned out. It came together quickly. I'm using the flowers from the 3D flowers from Close to My Heart. This is how you can connect to me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I am close to a milestone. Would love to have you help me reach that goal. Here's another video you may be interested in. Have a blessed day. Thank you.